Friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have been doing well. So, in today's video, I will share you beautiful photographs ideas. I wish you enjoy my videos. Let's start today's video. So viewers, my first idea is viewers. Friends, my first idea is viewers. Looking for easy and affordable diaper. Try this amazing plastic water crafts ideas. Use recycled water, glue and simple crafts. You can create useful organizer, decorative item and unique handmade art for your home. Perfect for beginners, students and craft lovers. Recycling becomes exciting when creative start and reviewers. Friends, more plastic bottle at home. Don't waste them, reuse them. Creative. These plastic bottles crafts are easy, colorful, and useful. Cute counter, stylish organizer, mini basket, and beautiful round decoration with a simple material. Creative recycling has never looked this good, elegant style and weavers. Recycled plastic bottles this elegant design crafts ideas turn ordinary waste into beautiful home decoration, from decorative flower vase to hanging decoration and creative storage solutions. Every design is unique and stylish, affordable materials with amazing result. Friends, fun, easy and super creative. These plastic bottle crafts are perfect for kids, school projects and family time. Make colorful animals, flower pots, bird feeders and creative decoration using recycled bottle. A fun way to learn creative and recycling together. So friends, I hope you enjoy my video, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon.